In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay Partner Network account. This process will enable you to earn commissions by promoting eBay products through special links. Following these steps will guide you through the registration and approval process effectively. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the official eBay Partner Network website. This site is dedicated to affiliates looking to join the program. Once on the homepage, locate and click the button labeled Join Now or Sign Up. This action will start the registration process. Before proceeding, ensure that you already have a regular eBay account, as it is required for this affiliate program. If you do not have an eBay account, you will need to create one first. After confirming your eBay account, continue to the application form to enter your details. In the registration form, you will be prompted to provide personal and business information. Begin by entering your full name, email address, and any other required contact details accurately. Additionally, you may need to include information about your website, blog, or social media platforms. This information helps eBay understand your promotional strategies for their products. It is crucial to ensure that all details are accurate and up to date, as any incorrect or incomplete information may delay the approval process. Once you have filled in all the required fields, submit your application for review. After submitting your application, eBay will review the information you provided. The approval process typically takes a few days, depending on the details of your application. During this time, it is advisable to check your email for any notifications from eBay regarding your application status. Once your account is approved, you will be able to log in to the eBay Partner Network. This dashboard is where you will manage your affiliate activities. Inside the dashboard, you will find various tools designed to help you generate affiliate tracking links. These links are essential for promoting eBay products and tracking your referrals. You can share your affiliate links on websites, blogs, or social media platforms to reach a wider audience. It is important to keep in mind that when someone makes a purchase through your link, you will earn a commission from the sale. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features to maximize your promotional efforts. That completes the process of creating your eBay Partner Network account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.